Bẹ́ẹ̀rí wọn, irú ròǹbòrùn, irú ṣòkòtò ní bùbá. Kí lẹ fi yàtọ̀ síra yín, kí lẹ fi gbéra yín, ìwọ àti Tinubu kọ́lù gangan. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ fi yàtọ̀ sí.
Nawa oh, nawa. Hey, I see something for Jos today oh. Baba can dey read in speech oh. Baba being a kaka Tîñúbü, he can dey read speech. If the man don't read speech, NEPA will come carry light. The man will come go off. When the man go off, they will come use musical interlude, take cover up that NEPA will carry light. Because the man will just veer off. Then they will come bring musical interlude, take do like say they play music to just do the adjustment. When they finish the adjustment, then the shadow candidate, Honorable Faleke, shadow candidate, he will come whisper, remind Oga, he will come remind Baba wetin Baba supposed stop. Tinubu will come back again. Then when he come back, he will come he will come remember wetin to talk. He will come talk. Then when he talk, they will continue. But one thing where I see today be say, throughout when the man they talk for that Jos, the man they on low battery, the man they on low energy, complete low energy. Now the man they take talk. When he first the waka to go this stage, the Baba wan lule 2 times Baba stagger wan lule but we thank God sha. Make I no lie, my brother. Make I no lie. Baba Ubadun, Baba no well. Ba lafia. The Almighty God will heal you. The Almighty God will touch you. But honestly speaking, man, Baba cannot do this thing, no. Wallahi, but they hear about Ozugo, please. Kaka Tîñúbü, Ozugo. You don't do. Baba is on low battery. Baba is on low energy. Baba no fit do this thing. Baba needs to just go and settle down and take care of himself. Honestly speaking. Now, wow. So Baba the thing can reach one level. Baba can they pray for PDP. On they say, may God bless PDP. May God bless PDP. No. Baba fe lule o. Oku die by Baba fe lule. Honestly speaking. Baba man say by shadow candidate. Ma Baba leti. Awa magbe MC Baba leti. And this when I tell someone ganu kanana yana ga Baba. No way. PDP Atiku.